Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily FX market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, June 3rd. Firstly to the Euro US dollar, and here we see a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and that momentum that was built from the previous day's trading has seen that trend continue in a fairly solid manner today. Buyers closing with control once again, another white body candle, but the size of the white body is quite a bit smaller than the previous day, so it suggests that the amount of net momentum that we saw in the market previously is no longer there, and that's suggesting that we could see some resistance coming in around the 112.89 level of previous resistance. At the moment, as this current candle is developing, we are seeing some selling coming in, but I suggest that if we do see the market come off, we're likely to find very strong support around the 111.60 area and around the Kijun-sen trading at 111.42. There is an opportunity here for the buyers once again to trade up to higher levels, and if they are able to breach 112.89, we should see the Euro US dollar testing up to about 114.59. The solid bullish close up above the Kijun-sen now gives us a bullish market in all three time frames, and if we look at the Chiká span here, it is still above the corresponding price action, so it's just confirming the bullish momentum that we have in this market and suggesting that we certainly could see a continuation of this trend to the upside. But really a lot depends on how the market reacts to 112.89, and if we do trade down to around this 111.60, 111.40 area, how the market reacts around there and whether we find strong support as we did today. Next to the US dollar, Japanese yen, and here we see a spinning top type candle that's formed. So the selling that we saw for the previous day's trading, that strong downside momentum with the sellers coming in off the 124.7 level of resistance, hasn't followed through, and the sellers were unable to breach the low of the previous candle. So all through this area, we technically haven't had a change of trend to the downside. The large black body candle was an outside day. Technically no change of trend to the downside. The previous trend, which was up, remains in force, and today an inside day. And this inside day suggests, and the spinning top type candle that we've got suggests that we certainly could see some buying coming into this market. Now, the buyers will need to be strong enough to breach the 124.70 level, and we did see the market test to that level and be rejected from there today. So that's what the indecisive candles are about, the downside price rejection and the upside price rejection, and we are seeing some strong resistance forming just around this 124 level for the past three candles, strong support around that area. At the moment, this current candle is developing to the upside. We are seeing some buying coming in, but the real test is going to be 124.70. In terms of trending price action, we are trading well up above each of the Ichimoku indicators, and I suggest that if we do see the market come off, we're likely to find very strong support at the Tenkan-sen at 123.23. Moving next to the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and the candle we're analysing is the second last candle on the chart here. That's the one that has finalised trading, and if we look at the loss of momentum here from the day prior to that, the white body candle where we saw the buyers come in very strongly, take out 1, 2, 3, 4 black body candles, some small black bodies, but this large black body certainly did suggest that the momentum to the upside was very strong. The buyers on that candle that has closed today have lost commitment, they've lost that momentum, and we had the formation of a spinning top type candle which set the market up for a change of trend. And if we look at this current candle as it's forming, we're seeing that change of trend confirmed now, with the current candle making a lower high and a lower low. Now, combined with the strong resistance around the Ichimoku cloud, it's little wonder that we've seen selling coming into the market, and there's been some news that wasn't favourable to the Aussie dollar today, just in the last hour or so, and the sellers are really hammering the market here and showing some strong commitment to taking this market lower. Now, we do have potential for support around the Tenkan-sen indicator at 77.17, and we are just hovering around there with the close, so we could see some buying coming in off that level. But if that level fails to hold, looking to strong support at 76.72. If that fails to hold, strong support at 75.30 if we can breach the swing low here around 75.95.